Well, hi there. Welcome to episode 25 in the Colourful Keys Quick Clip series for piano teachers, where you get a sneak peek inside my studio to see my real teaching, how I'm doing things, what I'm doing, and a little bit about why as well, so that hopefully you can take some inspiration back for your own piano teaching. In this one, you're going to see a wonderful game that's called Cymbal Splash. Now, this is a multi-level game that I created for those times when you have different types of students together and you need to do something. They could be siblings, it could just be a mismatched age group class, or any situation like that. This is perfect because there are 4 different levels. So level 1 is like super beginner, easy things like just P and F and crotchets or quarter notes, whatever you want to call them, doesn't matter. And then level 4 is like a strong intermediate level. So it works with the same game with different students playing at the same time using different levels. So I love it for that. I use it all the time for that very reason. As the name suggests, it's about reviewing musical symbols. And as the name also suggests, if you get a question wrong, you splash into the waters on the board game and you have to swim back to the very start. So the stakes are high. This is so much fun. It's a great game. You can grab it for yourself at colourfulkeys.ie/25 for episode 25. It's available completely free there. And if you want tons more games like this, you have to head to vibrantmusicteaching.com to check out the membership site. It's super affordable. There's tons of games in there for every imaginable circumstance, and it's all sortable and really well organized. So that's if you want more games, but if you want that freebie, just go to colourfulkeys.ie/25. I'd love to hear from you in the comments if you've any questions at all about how I use games in my teaching, how this game works, or anything else that comes to mind. And I'll chat to you next. One, two, three, four. Okay, you landed there, but you have to answer this card to stay there. So turn over the card. Do you know what that is?
I forget.
Right here?
It's like can you say what it means?
Okay.
It means there's no notes in that bar.
It's a whole bar rest. Okay, I'll accept it. If you get a card wrong, do you know what happens?
You go back to where you were.
You fall into the water, splash, and you have to swim back to the start.
This is a whole chocolate bar of silence.
Yes.
Now I forgot to roll the dice. Yeah.